Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to talk about an error that you might have encountered while trying to use virtual environment in a Windows system. So the error is cannot be loaded. This script 1 cannot be loaded because running script is disabled on this system. For more information, see about this and that. So if you find an error like this in your Windows system while trying to use virtual environment for maybe a Python project, this is what you are going to do. So first, you'll open PowerShell as an administrator. So type PowerShell in your search bar. So click the search button or the Windows button and search PowerShell. Let me click PowerShell. Okay, we have PowerShell. So run is an administrator. So make sure this is PowerShell. Then run as an administrator. Then once you run it as an administrator, so you run the following commands. So the first command is get execution policy. Type enter. Sorry, let me see. Oh, okay. So it is get with the hyphen in the middle. So get execution policy. Don't use this one. Instead, use get hyphen execution policy. I will add the commands in the description section. So you don't have to worry. So type get execution policy, then it will return whether your system is restricted or not restricted for running executing scripts. So press enter. So at the moment it is restricted. So if you find your response is restricted, the next command you'll type is set execution policy restricted. So set execution policy is one word separated by hyphen, then restrict. Sorry, not restricted but unrestricted. Unrestricted. So it was restricted when we checked, but we want it to be unrestricted so that we can execute our scripts. So set execution policy unrestricted, then press enter. It should prompt us. Let's see. Okay, when you press enter, you'll see prompt like this. So the execution policy helps protect you from scripts that you don't trust. Changing the execution policy might expose you to security risks described in that. So if you get this, click yes to all. So you type A as you see here, yes to all. A is for yes to all. So Y is for yes. I think if you click yes, it will ask you of something else. Then you click yes until it finishes. But A is for yes to all so that it does everything at once. So just type A, whether capital or small, no problem. Then press enter. So once you type A, it will change the execution policy to unrestricted. So if you want to check if it's unrestricted again, just type get hyphen execution policy, then press enter. You'll see it's unrestricted. So once it's unrestricted, you can now close the terminal. Now if I try to run the virtual environment again, press enter, you will see it can now run and it won't return the error. So that's basically it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.